everyone, I'm here with my model Noor. As you can see, she has a beautiful copper, but I just want to boost her color a little bit, giving her more dimensions of Colorance illuminated colors, combining with pure pigments to give it more of a fun and playful end result. I hope you're gonna enjoy. I'm done with my cross-sectioning. Now I'm gonna do a root application, a root stretch, so a bit wider. And then in the end, I'm gonna work with two different tonalities of the Colorance illuminated colors with pure pigments and make a beautiful merge of those two colors in one application. I'm ready with my root application. Now, in the end, I'm going to work with different tonalities for more copperish red, for more violety red, and get a beautiful transition of those three colors. Gonna start. I think Noor looks great with this hair color. I hope you like it too. Do you want to see more from us? Then follow us and I hope to see you next time. See ya!